Welcome to the world of Reeva Rare, a name synonymous with timeless beauty, bespoke craftsmanship, and luxury jewelry for the elite. Today, we take you on a journey behind the scenes to witness the making of a magnificent handmade 3.25-carat diamond ring in pure white gold, designed exclusively for one of our special clients. What you are about to see is not just a process, but a story of transformation, where raw materials are shaped into a masterpiece of eternal elegance. Our journey begins with the foundation, white gold, chosen for its purity, durability, and luminous charm. Alongside it rests a rare 3.25-carat diamond, carefully selected for its brilliance and fire. Every bespoke creation at Reeva Rare starts with a vision, a dream that takes form through the skilled hands of our master craftsmen. The process of shaping begins with measurement and precise cutting of the white gold. Every line, every curve is carefully designed to ensure harmony, balance, and comfort. What starts as a simple piece of metal gradually evolves into the first outline of a ring. Each step requires extreme precision, for even the smallest detail contributes to the perfection of the final creation. The gold is now carefully shaped into the ring band. Separate components are brought together and joined, forming the foundation of strength that will hold the diamond for generations. This stage is as much about technical skill as it is about artistry. Strong yet delicate, bold yet refined, the structure reflects the philosophy of Reeva Rare. The next stage is the creation of the crown, the top setting of the ring, where the diamond will soon find its eternal home. This setting is more than just a frame. It is the throne that allows the diamond to shine in its full glory. Our artisans carve and refine this structure with patience, ensuring that beauty and security exist in perfect balance. Once the crown is shaped, it is seamlessly joined with the band. The ring begins to take its complete form, a single flowing design, ready to embrace the diamond. Every joint, every curve is tested for perfection, ensuring it not only looks beautiful, but also carries the strength to last for generations. Now comes the stage of fire and refinement. Through intense heat, the white gold is purified, strengthened, and given resilience. Fire is the element that transforms raw metal into something extraordinary. What may seem like a technical step is in fact a delicate dance between tradition and precision, where every second of burning shapes the character of the jewelry. With the structure solidified, the focus turns to detailing. Every angle, every surface is refined by hand. The seat for the diamond is prepared with microscopic accuracy, for this is where the gem will rest for a lifetime. This stage requires patience and perfection, as the brilliance of the diamond depends on how flawlessly it is set. As the detailing is completed, the final joining takes place. The band, the crown, and the setting unite in harmony, creating a complete piece of jewelry that is now ready for its final touches. This is where craftsmanship meets emotion, as the ring begins to embody the spirit of its wearer, unique, bold, and everlasting. The polishing process begins, layer by layer. The surface is refined until it shines like a mirror, reflecting not only light, but also the hard work, artistry, and devotion poured into its making. This polishing transforms the ring from a crafted object into a true jewel, ready to carry its brilliance into the world. And here it is, the completed 3.25-carat white gold diamond ring, a creation of elegance, power, and timeless luxury. What once was raw metal and a loose stone is now a symbol of love, commitment, and prestige. At Reeva Rare, we do not simply make jewelry. We create heirlooms, from diamond rings, earrings, necklaces, and bracelets, to bespoke bridal collections and engagement pieces. Every creation is made on order. Thank you.